So here we have this SUNCONY aluminum drawer handle jig. Now this comes with everything you need to install handles on your cabinet doors and drawers. There's an instruction booklet, a punch for setting your holes, a 5mm drill bit along with some extra parts, and then the jig itself, which you have to put together. There we go, that was super simple. Now this jig is made of aluminum, so it's pretty sturdy, and it also has these laser etched inch and centimeter markings on it, which really helps with lining it up. This jig makes installing knobs and handles on cabinet doors and drawers a breeze. It just makes it so much simpler than trying to use a tape measure. So let me go ahead and show you how to use it. First, you're going to want to space these out correctly for your door handle, and the easiest way to do that is to just set it on there and then start a screw from the back. Do the same with this other side. All right, and there we go. Now they're spaced out perfectly, and all we got to do now is make this the center. And there is a little bit of play in here, so if you wanted to get it exact, you might want to measure it, but this is just a lot simpler. Anyway, you can go ahead and take this off now. Now for drawers, you're going to go to the back of it and mark out the center, and then you're just going to want to find the center of this way too, which for me is going to be about 2 3/4, and set the vertical slider to whatever that was, and you can see the distance from the hole is 2 3/4. Now put it on the front of your drawer, line that mark up with this notch here, just like that, and then if you're going to be doing this on a whole bunch of the same drawers, then you can go ahead and slide this over, just butt it up against the edge, then tighten it down, and now when you put it on, it's going to hit both edges and be perfectly where you want it. Now it's super simple. All you got to do is either take the punch and mark the holes like that, or take the drill bit they included and drill through it like this. If you punch it, you can just take it off and then drill it after. Either way, it's super easy, and now let's put the handle on. Now you have a perfectly centered handle on your drawer front or door, and that was super quick and super easy. Also, quick tip, if you have a drawer that's way too wide, all you gotta do is take your drawer jig and slide the whole thing to the left. Center it on 5 here, and now you can do the same thing as before by marking the center, lining this up, and then butting up this edge piece against the edge like that. So all in all, this jig is super easy to use, has pretty rigid construction, and makes installing drawer pulls or cabinet handles or even knobs so much simpler. And when you're done with it, you can super easily put it all back in the case, and now everything's together and ready to go for next time.